Yo, what's up everybody? It's Web3 Digest, and today we're talking about something huge. We're talking about AI and whether it's going to steal your job. Experts say 80% of jobs could be gone, replaced by robots and algorithms. The good news? There are still future-proof skills you can learn. The bad news? You gotta learn them fast. Will you adapt or be left behind? Alright, so everyone's freaking out about AI coming for their jobs, right? It's like a scene out of a sci-fi movie where robots take over the world. But let's take a step back and breathe for a moment. Well, I've got a little secret for you. Someone's got to build those AI overlords, and guess what? Those overlords are just sophisticated tools created by humans, for humans, and that someone could be you. Yes, you heard that right. You could be the mastermind behind the next big AI breakthrough. We're talking about AI engineering and development, the ultimate career hack in the age of robots. It's not just a job, it's a revolution in how we interact with technology. Think about it, every single one of those self-driving cars, those super smart robots, they all started with a team of brilliant minds coding their brains out. Those are the AI engineers and developers, and let me tell you, they're in high demand. Companies are practically fighting over them, offering incredible perks and benefits. We're talking six-figure salaries straight out of college, stock options, the whole 9 yards. It's like hitting the career jackpot. But it's not just about the money. Imagine being on the cutting edge of technology, building the future with your bare hands, or at least with your keyboard. If you're ready to put in the work, then AI engineering and development could be your golden ticket to a future-proof career. And the best part? You'll be the one calling the shots, not the robots. At least not yet. Okay, so maybe coding isn't your thing. You'd rather be calling the shots in your own empire, right? The internet is still open for business, baby. Digital entrepreneurship is your ticket. E-commerce is booming. Create your online store and watch the cash roll in, or try affiliate marketing, promote products and get paid. AI is changing the game, but it can't replace human creativity and hustle. That's where you come in. Listen up, all you artists, writers, and dreamers. Just because robots can crunch numbers and write code doesn't mean they can steal your soul. The power of creativity is the one thing AI can't replicate, at least, not yet. Design is huge in the digital age. Websites, logos, social media graphics, everything needs to look amazing. And who makes that happen? Designers, baby! People with an eye for aesthetics and a knack for turning ideas into visual masterpieces. Alright, let's talk about feelings. In a world obsessed with technology, there's one thing that will always set us apart from machines: our ability to connect emotionally. Emotional intelligence is about to be more valuable than ever. Think about therapists, counselors, social workers, people who help us navigate life. AI might offer generic advice, but it can't replace human empathy. Careers in coaching, leadership, and sales rely heavily on emotional intelligence. Developing your emotional intelligence is crucial. It's our human connection that will set us apart. Start practicing your listening skills and build meaningful relationships. Trust me, it's the best investment you can make in your future. Vigilant experts to prevent it. That's where cybersecurity experts come in. The digital warriors fighting to keep our data safe and our systems secure. They are the technology is used to create a better, safer, and more equitable world. So there you have it, guys. The AI revolution is coming, whether we're ready or not. The question is, are you going to adapt, evolve, and thrive in this brave new world? Drop a comment below and let me know what job you think AI will take over first. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This is Web3 Digest, signing off. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay human. Peace out.